What's up, wonderful people? Today we're going to Taman Safari. Come and join us to explore this place. Let's go! Here you go.
Get out!
You're seeing people selling carrot here. This is for you to feed the animals. Berapa ya?
7 ikat 40.000, kalau beli 50.000 tak kasih 10 ikat.
Oh gitu, segitu ada?
Kalau 100 tak kasih 25, jatahnya ngasih makan 2 jam lebih.
100 ya Mbak? 25 ya?
Kurang Pak.
Ini tak ambil dulu.
Ya, ambil di Pak, ngapunten.
Ya, makasih. Oke, some you guys.
Kasih 25 semua ya.
Oh ya, makasih.
Terima kasih.
Dia bilang this is for you. Safari adventure. So this is all the map here. Oh, looks pretty big. Excited, Zayan?
Not officiously. Okay.
Oh, Mama, that bison is so big.
I might hit their head though.
Ready? Go. Boop. Went into the water. This is the closest we ever been with to a bison. So big.
I think I saw. Don't pick our car. Don't pick the car.
It's getting crowded now. It's so many people. Here. Hey. Right here. Oh. Yeah. Lure him to there so Ethan can see. Lure him here. Here.
Eat it! Yo! Eat it! Skinny.
I know, right?
They're vegetarian.
Wow. Look at this deer looking for food. Hi. There you go, baby deer. Don't think you can do that in US, right? Bye bye. This is a cow, I guess.
They're feeding the.
There you go. Whoa. That crunchy sound.
Ew, the teeth look so weird.
Yo.
Masuk ke dalam.
You want this? Get out! Okay, you.
And
And then it needs to go. Okay, close, please. Thank you.
Bye bye. Did you touch the truck?
Yeah, we did.
We're gonna take a picture with the elephant. Oh, there's a big elephant. Hippo. Hippo is sleeping here. There's one here. There's another one right there. Oop, actually there's another one there. Uh oh. Bye bye. Dikira kasih makanan. Feeding giraffe. You guys wanna try to do it or not?
Purple tongue. Hey, yo. Stick out your tongue.
We're going to the tiger area now.
Over there. Yeah. The profession. Yeah.
Oh, that one is like.
Oh.
Ethan, there are 2 Ethan.
Alright. Mama.
On top of the stone over there.
I wanna feed.
The male.
Alright guys, so this is the parking area for the recreation zone. So as soon as you are coming in, it's always recommended you check out the safari first. Once you get into the safari, you drive, and if you don't have a car, you're coming here, they also have a bus, I believe. So we're gonna explore this recreations area here. Let's go. Okay, we see a lot of attraction here. I think this is more like for kids area here, so the attraction are not that intense or scary. More like a very kiddie rides. See, that's the kiddie rides there. More kiddie rides there. Ah, so cute. See, they have the baby zoo bumper car. Oh, they also have a spooky house. This is the cafe area. I guess they sell food and drinks. And the swinging thingy, I don't like those two, make me dizzy. This is the climbing car. This is the bumper car. Check this out. Wow, look at that truck. Looks like Transformer, right? Hi guys, enjoy!
Wait, what? Wait.
Enjoy! Wow! This is actually very fun, but I have a weak stomach, so with this spinning around I'm gonna get dizzy, so I avoid this kind of game. Rio, Bravo, let's go. Guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to like, share, consider to subscribe.
Yay! Yes.
There's a real animal there. Antelope.
This is so much fun, guys. This is Taman Safari Indonesia in Prigen.
Oh, look, there's an animal there. Hey.
Good. Whoa.
The kids love it. Alright, we're gonna check out the Dolphin Bay. So they also have a water park here. And look at this. That's super cool.
Maybe we'll go there another day.
The water park? Yeah, maybe another day water park. This is the Safari water park. Baby zoo, let's go. Wow, look at that. You can actually take a picture here. And at the bottom here, there's all the alligator. You see it? Try, let me help you. Let me help you. There. Bro, I see tiger here. Wow, big one. Woo.
How come there's three?
Yeah, I know.
How come they're not fighting?
They are best friend. Whoa, look at that. That's super cool. Next, we are going to see the orangutan. You see the orangutan? Oh, he's smiling at you. He's smiling at you. This is the bird safari, where they have all these beautiful birds.
Very smart.
Yeah.
What are you in?
You can actually also take picture with the animals here, but too bad that we are too late. They're closed already. Here you can take picture with the wallaby, here with the reptile. Oh, this one you can take picture with the bear cat. Good picture is a must. We're here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's conclude our video at Taman Safari. Actually, Taman Safari is so huge, we didn't get a chance to explore the whole area. That means we are coming back. And in the meantime, don't forget to like, share, and consider to subscribe. I see you guys in the next video. Ciao!
Bye.